Hello friend, welcome to my channel Crypto Knowledge. So if you are guys new in my channel, I request you for subscribe my channel so that you will get lots of informative and tutorial videos about cryptocurrency. Okay, so you may know that I always try to upload videos about cryptocurrency in my channel, and my channel is actually for those people who are interested in cryptocurrency. But if you don't have any knowledge about cryptocurrency, and if you don't know what cryptocurrency actually is and how they work, then my channel will be for you. So I will always try to upload that kind of videos in my channel. So in today's video we are going to actually talk about Bitcoin. Okay, and we are going to analyze Bitcoin today. So in my previous video I show you a website which called Coinmarketcap. Okay, so we are going to use this website today for analysis the Bitcoin. So I'm simply going to this website. As you can see in my computer screen, this is Coinmarketcap, and this is a website actually you may know, I told you before that you will find all the necessary information about cryptocurrency in this website. Like this is, you can see the things like trending, what is trending today, which coin is trending today, like about in which coin people are talking a lot today, and what is the biggest gainers, like which coin is in the biggest gainers. That means which coins is right now in so much in profit. And you can also see the recently added, which means the the coins which have been added recently in the website. And if you look upper side of the website here, like cryptos, as you can see, there are 13,025 cryptos listed in this website. That means right now 13,000 website cryptocurrencies are listed on this website. And you can also find all the necessary information about cryptocurrency, like how many exchanges linked to this website. There are 422 exchanges, as you can see, and you can see the total market cap. I leave it to you guys. You do calculation. Okay, how many dollars in there, so you will understand that what is the actually market cap of cryptocurrency nowadays, especially today. Well, so this is the website. So our today's topic is about Bitcoin. So I'm going to Bitcoin, and we are going to analyze the Bitcoin today. So as we can see in today, it's 23/10/2021, and the current market price of Bitcoin is, as you can see, $61,456. Okay, 61,000 plus dollar each Bitcoin value. And if we go to market cap, so here we can see the market cap is 1.16 trillion. This is insane. This is just insane. So here is the trending view. If we go to trending view, here we can see, hold on, here you can see the chart. The page is actually loading. Here you can see the chart. So here you can actually see the chart about trending view. So you can all the information, you will just find all the necessary information on this website, which is Coinmarketcap. And then if we go to price again, and if we actually wanted to know what was the price yesterday, then you may see there is 23. Let us check 22. Okay, let's check for last 7 days. Here you can see the chart of last 7 days. So in today the price is, as you can see, 61,499. So if you want to know about yesterday, which is 22/10, then we have to find, here you can see in 22, I mean yesterday, the price was $60,612. That was the price of yesterday. Okay, and today the price is 61,499. You can calculate, you can understand that how much it increased in within a day, how much it increased within only one day, within 24 hours. So if we go a little bit further, like a week ago, which is 16/10/2021, that time the price was $60,908. Okay, so that was the price for 7 days ago. And if you want to look for the price about 1 month ago, then we can see, if we select 1 month chart, then we can see in 9/23 the price was 43,800. Can you imagine? The price is before 1 month the price was, you can see, around 43,000, almost 44,000. If we just imagine, the price was 44,000 1 month ago, and right now after 1 month the price is 61,000, which means 16,000 plus. Within 1 month, one Bitcoin value goes up to $16,000. Wow, this is just insane. And if you want to look about 3 months ago, the price of 3 months, before 3 months, then if you select 3 month chart, then we can see the price was 34,000, which means within 3 months the price become double. Before 3 months the price was 34,000, and right now after 3 months the price is 60,000, 61,500 for now, which means almost double the price. Within 3 months the price become almost double. So what about 1 year ago? So if you go to 1 year, then we can see before 1 year the price was only 13,000. Can you imagine? The price was, before 1 year the price was 13,108. After 1 year the price is right now 60,000. This is really, you have your own brain. You can calculate yourself that how much it increased. Okay, and if we go for all time price list, then we can see when the Bitcoin was actually started, the price was actually, as we can see, let me show you, around $112. It was started with $112. Okay, and right now the price is 61,000. From 100 is 64, actually 61,000, and it goes up to, as you can, okay, let me show you the, here you can wait 1 second. It goes up to 60. Here you can see 66,600. Okay, so this is actually, I don't know what to say. How quickly the price increased. How quickly the Bitcoin become so much valuable. Okay, so this is a little bit analysis of Bitcoin. So I hope that guys you like the video, and if I will put the website link in my description so you can check your own, so you will have some basic idea that how actually the Bitcoin become that much valuable nowadays, and what was the actual rate when it was first published, what was the rate before 1 month ago, what was the rate before 1 week ago or 6 months ago. You can find all the information on this website if you visit the website. Okay, so that was actually a little analysis of Bitcoin, and I hope that guys this video will help you for understand a little bit further about Bitcoin. So thank you so much guys for watching the video, and if you like my video, please please give me a like on my video and don't forget to share my video with your friends and family. And please subscribe the channel so you will find lots of informative cryptocurrency related video in my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video. So I will catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.